In this video, I'm going to show you how you can fade out audio in Premiere Pro. This is going to be quick and easy, and I'll explain everything very simply. So here we are inside of Premiere Pro. You can see I've got my video. I've also got my audio here. I've got a music track. You can do this with commentary as well. You can do it with any audio track. Now, I've also resized and chopped off my audio to the bit that I need. Obviously, you can fade in and out at any point that you want. We're just going to fade this audio so it fades out at the end of the video clip. So once you've got your video and audio track in, you can then go ahead and go to Window, go to Workspaces and make sure you're in the editing window. Basically what you need is the effect controls. So you might have to go ahead and find it. It should be in the top left. If you don't see it, go to Window, go to Effect Controls and make sure that it is checked here. Now once you've got the effect controls open, make sure you click on your audio track and we need to now create 2 keyframes. So you can go ahead and move this blue line either on the timeline or also on your music track up here. And you can see it's going to move into different places. Now what we need to do is we need to start the clip to fade out. So go ahead and click on the timeline where you want the audio clip to fade out. Make sure again you've got the music track selected. Then you need to go to Effect Controls and you need to find Level. So you may need to expand volume and then go ahead and click on this button here, which is going to add a keyframe as you can see here. Now, if you don't see this, it might just be because like you're zoomed in too far or you've scrubbed all the way across. But as long as this is blue, the keyframe will be added. So this just means that the fade out is going to start here and the level up until this point is going to be 0, which is going to be normal, right, for your audio track. Now you want to find the endpoint. This is going to be the point where the track will fade out to. So we're going to click here just to the end of the clip. And as you can see, it's updated here in the effect controls. Now we need to just go to the level, click on it and type -999 and that will fade it out here. So the audio level will go, according to these keyframes, from 0 decibels to -999 and it will go in a smooth way here. So let's just play the clip and I'll show you what I mean. So we'll play it from around here. So that's how you can fade out a clip. As you can see, it's fading out very nicely. That's all you need to do. I hope that helped you out.